Hello guys, today's video will show you how to turn your Facebook profile into a page. The first video that I made was doing great and most of you were able to change their profiles into page, but I think Facebook made an update, so I wanted to make another video to help you guys. Let's get started. Click on these three bars right here, then click on your profile. You will see three dots right here. Just click on those three dots. Okay? Now what do? Click on professional mode. Just turn on the professional mode like that. Turn it on. Okay? Good. Now we've already changed this profile into a page, but let's make some settings so that everything can be okay here. Okay, click here. Set the everything should be set to public. Okay, now click this one here. Done. Okay. Make sure you do everything that is required here. You can create new content. Just add details about yourself. Okay. Okay. For instance, hello guys. Just follow all the steps that are required. Now, when you go back to this profile, see now it's a page. It's no longer a profile, it's a page. Thank you guys for your time.